Good evening, friends. Hope you had a very good weekend. So let's quickly analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. In front of me, I have a Bank Nifty chart on monthly candle. So you can see that it is trying to sustain above this resistance level of 21,245. It is a bit up from it. So the move seems to be positive. The monthly resistance seems to be at somewhere around 19,000. Sorry, support. The monthly support is at around 19,308 and it is at this level. So from here, the up move should be around 24,000 on monthly basis. This may not come in this month, but maybe next month if all goes well. So if you see it on weekly basis as well, it is almost survived this support. So next target is around 25,000 on weekly basis as well. And downside is at 19,457 as of now. If there is change, then we will let you know in the market itself if there is some trend change or something else. So on daily basis, that is for short term, like 3, 4, 5 sessions. The support is at 19,447 and 19,232. After that, the support is at 17,683 and resistance is at around 22,200, 300 approximately. After that, the next resistance is at 26,000. Let's see how Nifty is doing. So if you see Nifty, so it is also in up move. On daily charts, the resistance is around 10,600 levels, 10,658. So we can say that it is around 10,600 because sometimes it comes there and bounce back from and revert back from here. Sometimes it crosses it and then moves up. So support should be at around first support should be at almost 9967. So in this kind of trending market, we always ignore the selling opportunity and we look for entry points for buying. Like this was the entry point when we had asked people to buy it at around 9100. Then this was the entry point at 9420. This was the big fall on that day when all of a sudden it fell 500 points and recovered as well. So this was the 9600 was the buying point. Then we do have a buying point at 9800, 9900. So these are the buying opportunities. Like if it comes tomorrow at 994, 19967, then we will go long with it. Perhaps it sustains this 9863 level. So we have to decide that and we will work accordingly. So these kind of levels we will update you in the market as and when we identify the trend. On weekly basis, if you see Nifty, then Nifty is in good up move. The support is at same 9863 and resistance is at 10,541 approximately. Next resistance is at 10,854. Support is at 9863 and 9120. And in between there is an intermediate support that is at around 9600. If you see it on monthly basis, so it is almost at a resistance point of 10,200. Almost it is almost at a resistance point. 10,297 is the resistance and support is at 9887. So that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching.